Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at the corrections to areas and volumes of similar shapes. If you look at the first question we have there, so sorry, the question, the two triangles are similar. The ratio of their corresponding size is 3 to 5. So which can be written as 3 to 5. So which means 3 is for the smaller one, while 5 is for the bigger triangle. Alright? So in that case, so we say that the linear scale is 3 over 5, right? Since the linear scale is 3 over 5, and we're now given further instruction that if the area of the smaller triangle is 36, that is the area of the smaller triangle, which is 36, we don't know the area of the bigger triangle. So what's the area of the bigger triangle? Now you can now see that this is area, this is linear. So we want both of them to be the same. So we want to convert this linear to area. So what do? We square. We square it. So when you square, you have 9 over what? 25. So in that case, so that means we're going to have 9 over 25 equals to 36 over x. So we can then use this to find the value of what? Of x. So we have made the linear scale to be equal to the area scale. I hope I'm making sense. If it is volume, we cube. So from here we can cross multiply here. So that was going to be for 9x equals to 25 multiplied by 36. Everything divided by 9. Alright? But this cancel the same. And 9 can go here, and 9 can go here 4. So therefore 25 times 4 is what? 100 centimeters squared. Which is this option here. I hope that is clear. Alright, so move to question 2. Move to question 2 now. So for question 2, oh, this is not sure very well. Alright, okay. Okay. So for question 2, I'm not write that place again. So the length of the size of two similar squares are in the ratio 1 to 4. The length of size of two similar squares are in the ratio 1 to 4. So if the area of the smaller square is 16, what is the area of the larger square? It's just the same thing. So that means you have 1 over 4 is linear. We want to make it square. Area, we square this, B equals to the area factor. And area factor will be, we given the smaller one to be 16, and then we don't know the bigger one. So exactly now. So that means we're saying 1 all over 16 equals to 16 over x. Therefore, x equals to 16 times what? 16. And 16 times 16 is up to 65. So that'll be 256. 256 centimeters squared. Okay, question number 3 now. For question 3, so what we have there is the areas of two similar circles are in the ratio. We look at what you're given here. What is mentioned is area of two similar circles are in the ratio. This one means 9 over 16 is the ratio of the areas. So that means there is nothing for us to square this on. 9 over 16 equals to the area of the smaller one is 36 centimeters. That will be 36. We can try to leave the pi and put it later on over x. So this one is straightforward. So we can just cross multiply. That will just be 9x equals to 36 multiplied by what? 16. So divide both sides by 9. So 9 cancel 9. 9 here 1, 9 here what? 4. So that is 16 multiplied by 4. That is 24. And that is going to give us 64 pi. So that is the answer question. That is B as the answer there. I hope that is clear. Okay, question 4. Two similar cones have heights and the ratio 3 to 5. The volume of the smaller cone is 27 pi centimeter cube. What's the volume of the larger cone? So this one is straightforward. The height is talking about the linear. In that case, that will be 3 over 5. And a volume, so we want to make this one volume, we cube this, equals to, the smaller one is 27, then we're looking for the bigger one. So this means we're going to have 3 cubed, that is 27, all over 125, equals to 27 over what? Over x. Don't forget there is pi beside this one, so our answer will still have pi at the end. So that means we have 27x equals to 125 multiplied by 27, divide both sides by 27 by 27. So 27 cancel 27, 27 cancel 27. Therefore, x equal to 125 pi. 125 pi centimeters cube, not square. Don't make the mistake. 125 pi centimeters cube, not square. So the last question we have there, is still on volume of similar shapes. And that one is a larger cube has a volume of 512, volume of 512 centimeters cube. The smaller cube is similar to the larger cube, and the ratio of their size length is 2 to 5. So that means we have 2 to 5. All right. The cubic volume must be equal to the area of the smaller one is what we don't know. What's the volume of the smaller one? Volume rather. So we have x all over 512. So this will give us 8 over 125 equals to x over 512. So then here we cross multiply, we have 125x equals to 8 multiplied by 512. Everything divided by 125. 125. So this will cancel this. Then x will then equals to, so 512 times 8, 512 times 8, then divided by 125. That gives us 32.768. But the question says we should round to the whole number. So this will be what? X equal to what? 33. So this should be what? 30. This should become 33 centimeters cube. I hope that is very clear. So that is that on this question. I hope you find it useful and helpful. So we're going to meet in the next video. So bye for now.